Hello everybody. Right now I am in my village and I came home after 3 years. So I want to remind you this, that every family lineage, your ancestors has certain strengths and has certain weaknesses. So in my family, the strength is leadership, the strength is having lands and all those kind of resources, but the weakness in my family lineage is lot of bad habits, poor eating habits, and numbing of the emotions. The only emotion that I grew up seeing the adults in my family could express was anger. So they could shout and everything, but if someone wants to express love, it was not there. Someone wants to resolve the conflict, no. If there is some conflict, then it will end in anger outbursts. So the bad habit is numbing of the emotions and poor eating habits, alcohol habits. So I am sharing this with you right now is to make you know that the strengths of the family will be there within you. The strength, be it leadership, whatever your family lineage strength, they are going to be there for you. But you also have to be aware about the bad habits running in the family, because they are also going to be within you. Same happened with me. I'm like this creative person and all of that, and it always, wherever I will go, I will easily find houses, that all of those things will happen very easily for me. But my own bad habits like poor eating habits, anxiousness, fear around people, one of the fear in my family lineage is poor trust in people. Okay, we cannot trust people because they are going to do something wrong, something bad, because of some incidents that happened in my family. So because of that fear, people are not able to grow, they are not able to trust. To trust someone requires courage and bravery, right? So you have to know the strengths of your family and also know the weaknesses in your family. Okay, this will empower you a lot. So if right now, like I chose to come back to my family after 3 years, okay, and those 3 years away from the family was needed, because if a soldier is fighting in a war, they will not be able to heal in that ground. If they get wounded, they have to go to the hospital and then heal. Just like that, if you grew up in a home where there was abuse, there was lot of loneliness for you as a child, so you cannot heal living in that environment. So you have to be away for a while and then you can come back. And when you will come back, you will have the strength within you to talk, to know, to hold compassion, So take your time, no rush, do not rush this process. I am just making this video to make you aware. Alright, know the strengths and weaknesses of both your family. And it would be my absolute honor to support you on your journey. If you'd like to book a one-on-one session with me, link is in the description, in order to dive deep into your fears, into your anxieties, to have a safe space to share your traumas and move through them for intuitive guidance, clarity on next step. I would love to be there and to guide you, to hold safe space for you. And in order to invite good energies into your life, you can also check out my magic paintings. When you keep my magic paintings around in your home space, in your office space, it brings so much of good energy. You can also gift it to your loved ones. I have 4 magic paintings. Number 1, I am safe, I am supported, which is going to help you. If you grew up in emotionally abusive home, you went through a lot of sexual abuse and trauma, and you were surrounded by emotionally immature people that damaged your self-esteem, this painting is gonna bring so much of self-loving energies into your life. Another painting that I have is taking a leap of faith on myself, and also another one which is I owe nothing to anybody. These 2 paintings are going to be pushing forward you into like taking bigger leaps and push you into like fully going into all on your passion. It's gonna bring so much of courageous, confident energy, like they are magic, super powerful. Another painting I have is God's ease, God's peace, God's prosperity, effortlessly flowing in every area of my life. It's gonna like bring the energy of things happening on its own for you, like material